Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about importance of replacing brake fluid in your car. Car brake system use hydraulics due to several advantages like force multiplication, equal pressure distribution, which is essential for brakes. So this hydraulic fluid is called the brake fluid. There are several brake fluid in the market categorized by the dot number. The dot number indicates the boiling point of the fluid, and the dot number of your vehicle is provided by the manufacturer and it is marked on the reservoir cap. Talking about this fluid, dot 3 and dot 4 are glycol based, so they are hygroscopic, which means they can absorb moisture. And that causes a problem. If you take dot 3, the dry boiling point is around 205 centigrade, and with wet condition it drops around 140 centigrade, which means fluid getting older and older, it boils early. This results brake fade during hard and regular braking, rise temperature to a level that boils brake fluid and create air bubbles and moisture within the hydraulics and reduce brake performance. Therefore, vehicle manufacturers recommend to renew brake fluid every 2 or 3 years. Now you know the importance of replacing brake fluid. Don't forget to like the video. See you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.